my YouTube channel, Cooking with Hannah. Today, you guys are gonna see me make the best cookies in this world. Well, they were kind of interesting. If you wanna see what I mean by this, keep watching till the end of the video. Also, you guys might see in a few minutes, I don't really look like this. I decided to darken my hair and get bangs because why not? You only live once, so just go for it. So you guys, in this video, there's going to be a part 1, a part 2, and a part 3. So you guys should come back to my channel and definitely watch all 3 because guys, let me tell you, it was epic. Yes, very epic. So let's just get on to the video.
That was not bad.
That was pretty darn good, Janny-licious.
Thank you. I tried to speak right. That's in. Press the bell. Notify. About halfway. Oh, it's stuck.
You know, just an idea from behind the camera. We have this thing called Morton salt, and it's in volume, and you just lift the top one.
Is it? Oh, I didn't see it. You guys are mean.